Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the group picture in WhatsApp Web. Personalizing your group chats with a unique and eye-catching picture can make them more visually appealing. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Locate and click on the desired group chat. Step 3. Inside the group chat, click on the group name. Step 4. On the right side of the screen, you will find the current group picture. Click on it. Step 5. A menu will appear with various options. Select Change Photo. Step 6. Choose the photo you want to set as the new group picture and click Open. Step 7. If needed, you can adjust the photo to fit the frame perfectly. Once you're satisfied, press the check mark icon to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you have successfully changed the group picture in WhatsApp Web. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the group picture on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.